Hi! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Devices. Now click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature and tap on Bluetooth itself. After that, you need to select Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the chosen one and wait for the pop-up. In order to continue, you need to select Pair and wait for the other smartphone to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you need to click on this gear icon next to the device, tap on Forget, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. If you wish to connect to it again, just select Pair New Device and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!